Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've gotten a few questions on how I align and center decals on my acrylic signs, so I want to show you with this short video. I'm working with a piece of clear acrylic. This is an 18 by 24 inch from my local plastic store, and it is the size of most of my acrylic signs. The Cricut self-healing cutting mat is also an 18 by 24 inch, so my acrylic fits perfectly on it. This mat is different than the sticky mats that you use in your machine. They are simply a cutting surface to protect your workspace. One side is decorative, but this side has grid lines that I like to use as a guide for placing my decals. It is easy to see the center mark while using the horizontal lines to align my text. This sign is pretty easy though, since the ever and the after are not perfectly centered anyways. So you can use this method on painted acrylic signs as well. Just make sure to add your decals before you paint the backside. Or if you went ahead and painted the backside first, then there is transfer tape with grid lines to help keep your lettering straight, or sometimes I just eyeball it. This mat, along with the fonts and supplies used, are linked below in the video description. And thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that this helped in creating your own custom signs. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I will see you soon.